JM opening the box from who this one? From who give this? JM. From Tita? From Tita? Tita and Tito? Tito what? Yes. Tito Des. And Ate? Ate? Nancy. Say thank you. Thank you muna. Thank you po. Thank you po. Not mommy. Thank you. Wow, excited mag-open ng box. Akala mo naman laro to. Unboxing. Unboxing. Oh, careful with the, careful with the scissor. Oh, very good. You know how to. Oh, you cut this up. You cut this portion. Yung hands mo, yung hands mo. Yan, cut that one. Very good. You cut like that. Careful yung hands. Unboxing si JM. So, audience na lang kami, no? Ayaw mo pakialaman ka. Audience na lang tayo. No? Okay, galing ah. Oh, put down mo na yung Put down the scissor first. Put it here. Cut it. There. Yan. Oh, like that. Ayun, baka madiretsuhan tayong dalawa. Oh, careful. Cut mo, cut. Cut. No, later mo na i-check yung you wait for Ate. Ate will cut that. Do you know what's inside? Huh? Do you know what's inside? You have? Jam. What you have inside? Huh? JM, wait. JM, wait. Oh, you have. I think I can see your name. Oh, move. Move. One more. Move now. Wait. No, no, just wait. Yay! 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 Wow! You're plenty! Yay! What you going to say? Tito? And? And? Ate? God bless you. And? Ate? Len? See. Thank you. I? Ida? Ida. How about this? Oh, this one. What do you want? Then? Ate? June and Ate? And see. See.